How to buy diamonds in Bigo Live. Tap me at the bottom right. Then tap wallet to view your diamonds and beans balance. You will see a list of diamond packages. Pick one based on your need and budget. Tap on package to start the purchase. Confirm your selection and pay to your Apple Store or Google Play. Alternate method: debit card or credit card. E-wallets depend on your reason. Once payment is successful, diamond appears instantly, ready for gifting, virtual effects, VIP upgrades, or badge. And that's it. Diamond straight to your wallet in second. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick, fun, and app tutorials. See you in the next one.